welcome back to my channel. I'm back this week with another video for you guys. But today we're going to be doing a video on my top 5 favorite black eyeliners. I mean, I do have a brown one, but they're mostly black. And these are my favorite eyeliners for doing winged eyeliner, for the waterline, and pretty much anything that has to do with eyeliner. And yeah, if you're interested in watching that, definitely keep on watching. But if you're not a part of the Paulian family yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And yeah, let's get into this top 5 eyeliners video. Well, yeah, guys, so the first eyeliner that I actually want to talk about is the Marc Jacobs Highliner in black. This is just their pencil black eyeliner, and now I love this liner. This is literally one of my favorite eyeliners for the waterline, and what I love about this eyeliner is that it lasts super long. Now, when I use an eyeliner that is like this, I usually put it on the waterline, and what I really like about this is that it doesn't run, it doesn't tear up, it doesn't smudge on the lower lash line. It lasts all day without even touching up, which is really nice. And it is also really nice to smudge as a base for any eyeshadow. And overall, I feel like this is one of those liners that everybody needs in their collection. And if you have very sensitive eyes, like I do, this won't bother them. This doesn't really bother my eyes. And so this is overall just a very good multi-use pencil. You can use it to draw a top eyeliner, you can use it to do a smoky winged eyeliner, you can use it as the base for a very dark color on your lid. You can also use this to smudge on the lower lash line to do very grungy looks. And as I said before, you can also use this on the waterline. You can also use these to do face art, and I've even used some of them as lip liner if you really want to. This one is $25, so this one is a little bit expensive for just one eyeliner, but I feel like this is so worth the money. And I also like how sleek the packaging is, and I just feel like this is such a good staple in my collection. Ever since I started doing YouTube around a year and a half ago, I always go back to this one. And I also like to tightline with this because it does cover the lash band really nicely. So yeah, if you've been looking for an amazing eyeliner and you want to splurge on something to kind of treat yourself, you should definitely try the Marc Jacobs Highliner in black. And now I also have another highliner that I also really love, and if you've been watching my channel for the last 8 months, you've noticed I always use this eyeliner. This is the Marc Jacobs Highliner in Coco. Now this has the same lasting capabilities as the other one. It does blend the same, but the difference with this one is just the shade. This is such a beautiful color. It's like a hazelnut brown with gold glitter on it. I mean, it is not glitter, but it is shimmery. Like when you put this on the waterline, it is super shimmery. It lasts all day as well, and it is a very nice everyday color. If you don't like to use black because you think it's a little bit too much, you can always go for a brown eyeliner, and especially this shade, it is so flattering. If you have green eyes, this shade will look bomb on you. It is, like I said before, a hazelnut brown, but I just love this. I had never tried brown eyeliner before trying this one, and now when I run out of this one, I'm gonna have to run out and buy another brown eyeliner because this is just so gorgeous, and those specks of gold just give you so much dimension. And I use this literally on so many looks. It goes along with everything. Like if you're gonna do a super deep brown smoky eye, this goes amazing on the waterline or as a base for eyeshadow. If you're gonna do a very nice everyday makeup look like today, you can put this on the waterline and it will just spice up every look. I do have this on the waterline today, and as you can tell, it just doesn't look that black, but it still gives you that amount of color you need to look just very glam. I don't know, I love these two guys, and these actually count as 2, so I have 3 more eyeliners to talk about. Their formula is very similar, but I feel like the colors are so different that they count as 2 different eyeliners. So yeah, I love these two, and if you have not tried Marc Jacobs Highliners, you should definitely try them. I love them, and I feel like they are some of the best eyeliners out there on the market. Yeah, moving on, I'm also going to be talking about today about another eyeliner that is very similar to these two, but this one is from Makeup Forever, and I actually did a whole video reviewing this one around 3 weeks ago, so I will link that on the tab up here or up here. I don't know where it is, but it is somewhere on the screen, and I will put an arrow so that you guys know where to go. And I basically did a whole review on this eyeliner, and now this is the Makeup Forever Artiste color pencil, and I have the shade, where is the shade? Whatever Black, or shade 100. Now I love this so much, and if you saw a video, you know this works amazingly on the waterline. It is super creamy, super smooth, super easy to put on. It also works really nicely to do your eyeliner on the top of your eye, and to blend that out. So if you're gonna do smoky winged eyeliner or a smoky eye, this is the liner to go. I feel like the Marc Jacob ones also do that, but the good thing about this one is that this one is $18. And now one of the things that I really like about this one is that it is a wooden pencil, so if your lead or if your eyeliner gets really rounded, you can always sharpen it to make it super sharp and draw a wing or eyeliner. That is the only downside that I see to these Marc Jacob ones, is that once they get rounded out, there's not much you can do because you can sharpen this. But with the Makeup Forever one, you can always sharpen it to make it super sharp and to kind of make your life easier when you're drawing eyeliner on the top. I don't like my eyeliner to be super sharp when I'm doing the lower lash line because it can like poke my eye, but when I'm doing the top lash line, it is definitely nice to have an eyeliner that you can sharpen. So that is really good about this one. Also, the price point, I feel like it's not way too out there, and this will last you a very long time. This is a pretty big pencil and you can literally sharpen it all the way down, and I just love this for everything that has to do with eyeliner, and this has so many colors. I definitely want to get a brown one of this because I feel like with a brown one you can do your brows, you can do your liner, you can do lip liner, you can do freckles, you can do face art, because these are multi-purpose liners. So if you do want to use this to do face art or to do your brows or to do your lips, you can definitely do that with these Makeup Forever eyeliners. And this is the only shade I have tried, but after trying this one I definitely want to try it more. It is so easy to use, it lasts all day, it doesn't run on my tear duct, it doesn't smudge on my lower lash line, it doesn't smudge everywhere, and I can smudge it out on the top of my eye and not set it and it will still not go anywhere. I love this so much. You should definitely try it out. Alright guys, so now the next eyeliner that I really want to talk about is actually my favorite eyeliner out of all of these, and that is the Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner in shade black. This is a black one, and now I adore this liner, and if you've seen my videos, you know I use this literally all the time. And what I love about this one is that you literally get two eyeliners in one, and this is $24, so it is as if you paid $12 for one eyeliner and $12 for another. The liquid side to this eyeliner is just a normal felt tip eyeliner, and then the other side is just one of those squeezy tubes, kind of like the Marc Jacobs eyeliner. And now what I love about this eyeliner is that it is so easy to use. If you want to draw a winged eyeliner with a liquid eyeliner, this is the eyeliner for you. I mean, I do have another one that I'm going to talk about for liquid eyeliner, but what I like about this one is just the tip is very saturated with product, so you can use the very tip of the liner to draw a super sharp wing as well as to go very far into the inner corner. I feel like this is one of the easiest eyeliners to use. I do have a video on how I do my winged eyeliner using this eyeliner, which I will tap at the top of the screen as well, and there I show you how I use this liner, how I like to use it, and why I like to use it. So if you're looking for an eyeliner where you can literally do everything with just one eyeliner, this is the one. And that is because with the bottom side of this one, you can also go in the waterline and you can also tie line. Now I do like to use this one a little bit better for tie lining as opposed to on the lower lash line, because I feel like if you use this on the waterline, it will last you around 45 hours and then you'll have to retouch, as opposed to the Makeup Forever one or the Marc Jacob ones, which can last you 8 to 10 hours. But the thing about this one is that you're saving money because you get two liners in one. You can tie line, you can do the waterline, you can do a wing, you can do face art with this as well. What I also like about this one is that it is not that hard to take off. The one that I'm going to be talking about next is very hard to take off, but this one doesn't come off easy if you are using water to take it off, but when you do use makeup remover, it comes out very easily, as opposed to the other one that I'm going to be talking about. So I'm going to stop rambling about this one because I feel like I talk about it so much, and it is on so many of my favorite videos. And if you do want to learn more about this eyeliner, definitely check out my eyeliner video. Moving on to our last eyeliner, I actually don't have it here with me because I completely ran out and threw it away a couple of weeks ago actually, and I haven't had the chance to repurchase it yet, but I definitely will soon. And the fifth eyeliner that we're going to be talking about is the D Tattoo Eyeliner in Trooper. Now this eyeliner is $20 and it actually has an Allure 2017 Reader's Choice Award. And now what I love about this eyeliner, it's just how matte it is and how thin the point is on the liner. I feel like the felt tip on the tattoo eyeliner is a tiny bit thinner than the one on the Tarteist eyeliner. But now, what I was saying before, I feel like this liner is very hard to remove, which actually can be a good thing for a lot of reasons. And what I like about the tattoo eyeliner is that when you put it on, you can literally scratch your eye. You can sleep on it. This eyeliner will not come off. It is literally like a tattoo. Like, it's insane. And I also like how it has like a little ball inside of it so that you can shake it up. This one also has that. The Tarte one also has that. And now, if you are a beginner at makeup, I would recommend going for the Artiste eyeliner. And that is because when you use the cap on the eyeliner, when you draw a wing, that wing is not coming off. If you get it wrong, you're literally gonna have to take off your whole eye makeup and redo it, because that thing will not come off with anything besides oil, like coconut oil or an oil-based makeup remover. I feel like if you are more advanced in your makeup skills, you will like the Kat Von D one a lot, because it is just super long wearing. And if you're going to an event that you need your makeup to last literally 16 hours, and or if you're going to like a wedding or something that takes a very long time, or you're dancing around to a party or prom, the Kat Von D eyeliner will be your saving grace for your winged eyeliner, because it is just amazing. And I also like that you can do face art with it. Like, if you're gonna do pop art, it will not rub off anything on your face, as opposed to other eyeliners that I have tried that literally flake off. That will never happen with the Kat Von D eyeliner. So yeah, I love that liner, and I actually love every single liner that I talked about today. And I feel like there's a little bit of options here and there, whether you like pencil eyeliners or you like felt tips eyeliners. I mean, I don't have any gel eyeliners, but if you have any gel eyeliner recommendations that I should try, let me know in the comments, because I'm always open to trying those, especially if I'm gonna do glitter on my top lash. And like, if you saw my last video, I needed some gel eyeliner in my life. So let me know your favorite gel eyeliner, and let me know your favorite eyeliners overall in the comments down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful in any way, shape, or form with your eyeliner life. And if you did, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel before you leave. I would love for you to subscribe. I'm gonna have a giveaway when I get to 1,000 subscribers, and we're almost halfway there. So if you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate it. It will mean so much to me. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video, which will actually be about my top 5 mascaras. So this is about liners, and in 2 days you will see my video about mascara. So yeah, thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.